Welcome back to District 12. Hi, I'm Sheryl from Orange Tea AAG, your neighborhood expert and guide in this community. Jalan Rajah, named King's Road in Malay, is nestled near the lively Balestier area and bustling Wangpo Market. Today we're exploring a unique and truly rare 5-room corner unit. Let's explore what makes this home a must-have for discerning buyers. This exceptional home spans a massive 1442 square feet on a single floor plate, offering an unparalleled layout, making it a standout in today's market. This bright and windy home is a true gem. Step inside and be awed by the sheer vastness of the living room and dining area, stretching over 8.5 meters long. This is the largest 5-room flat we've ever seen, and its cream-colored walls enhance the bright and airy ambience. Sunlight streams through the 8.5 meters long windows and double balconies, filling the space with natural light and a refreshing breeze. The living room is an oasis of calm, designed with a casual botanical coastal theme. Modern furnishings and verdant plants bring a touch of nature indoors. A cozy snug sofa and entertainment zone here invites you to relax, while a stylish feature wall and console paired with a large armchair create a perfect nook for lounging. Adjacent to the living room is a charming smaller balcony, complete with plants and an outdoor bench. The dining space is equally impressive. Currently featuring a round dining table that can comfortably seat 4 to 6 people, it can easily accommodate a 2-meter long table, perfect for hosting gatherings of 10 to 12 seated guests. The huge rectangular wall mirror here enhances the sense of space and light. The large balcony is a true highlight, featuring a swing chair, high bar table and stools, ideal for entertaining or soaking in the breeze with a morning coffee. This versatile area can even be transformed into a potential 4th bedroom, showcasing the endless possibilities for customization. The super spacious kitchen boasts ample room for a 2-door fridge and an additional dining table. Inside, you'll find a convenient storeroom. Those who favor open concepts layout will appreciate the option to remove this kitchen wall, creating a vast island counter that seamlessly integrates the living and kitchen areas. This unique configuration offers incredible flexibility and customization potential. Picture the expansive interconnected space it could provide. All 3 bedrooms are impressively spacious, easily accommodating king-size beds, large wardrobes and study tables, with plenty of room to spare. Each room is filled with natural light, creating bright and inviting spaces. The master bedroom is currently a yoga enthusiast retreat, a peaceful haven for relaxation. The bathrooms in this house have undergone upgrading renovations, ensuring they are functional and modern. With no built-ins in the bedrooms or living room, you have the freedom to customize and personalize every inch of this home to suit your preferences. This city fringe location is superbly connected, offering abundant public transport options with multiple bus stops just a 1 to 2 minute walk away. A quick 50-minute ride or 10 stops on the bus takes you to Orchard Road, while Toa Payoh MRT is a mere 5 stops away in just under 10 minutes by bus. Drivers will appreciate the proximity to CTE and PIE, providing easy access to town in just 10 minutes. St. Michael's Bus Terminal is located just across the road and includes a coffee shop. Within a 5-minute walk, residents enjoy access to 2 24-hour supermarkets and the famous Wangpo Market. Nearby, Zhongshan Mall and Shaw Plaza on Balestier Road offer diverse dining, retail and entertainment options. Families will find top-notch education options nearby, with Hongwen Primary and Pei Chin School, both SEP schools, within 1 kilometer. Grateful for your company as we explore this exceptional unit. This single floor plate unit is such a rare find in a central location. With its generous size, modern design and endless potential for customization, it's an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to invest in a home that offers both luxury of space and convenience. Its spacious sunlit interiors and breezy atmosphere make it such a cozy place to live and love. To me, that's what truly feels like home. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.